Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one I'll be doing Jamaican peanut porridge. Let's get right into it. First you will start by adding some water to your pot. You're going to place this on the stove to bring to a boil. Then to your blender you're going to add 10 to 12 ounces of raw peanuts, a quarter cup of flour, some water, and blend to get your desired smoothness. To your boiling water, you're going to add some cinnamon leaves or cinnamon sticks, about a teaspoon of salt. Let this boil for about a minute or two. After that, you're going to go ahead and add your blended peanut to your hot boiling water. Ensure that you stir this to prevent lumps. You're going to allow this to cook and stir intermittently. Constant stirring also helps prevent it from sticking to the bottom and burning. Once the porridge is cooked, we're going to go ahead and add some cinnamon powder. This is optional. Some almond spice, some vanilla, some sweetened condensed milk, about 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is depending on your desired sweetness. Some grated nutmeg. Then you're done. You can serve this with some crackers, some fried dumplings, or even with some festival. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.